How to recover hacked Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Chrome browser on your device. You can go for any browser that you have on your device and then tap on the search bar, and all you need to search over here is just tap on Instagram support. As you tap on Instagram support, you can see the option of Instagram Help Center. So just tap on Instagram Help Center. And here tap on the search bar, and you need to just mention the option of account recovery. So search for account recovery and you'll be able to see different options. So here you can see different options over here. You can just scroll down and here you can see the option of hacked Instagram account. So tap on it. And as you tap on hacked Instagram account, you can see that if you're unable to log into your account, you can just visit this page. So just tap on visit this page over here and it will land you to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of why can't you get into your account. So you can just tap on my account was hacked and then tap on next. And you can just mention your username, phone number or email ID, any one of these three options, and then tap on next and verify yourself, and then you'll be able to send a message and have a chat with Instagram support team, and you'll be able to recover hacked Instagram account of yours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.